In the last video, we ended up just really taking the dimensions that were given in question number 7 and showing them as a geometric solid down here. And we determined that the top part of the pool, the part that's 3 feet all the way across, is a rectangular prism. But then to actually show that we have 10 foot deep on one side and 3 foot deep on the other, we added a triangular prism to the bottom. So when it's asking us for the volume of water in the pool in cubic feet, we basically have to find out the volume of this entire geometric solid. And that's easy. We can break it down into the volume of the rectangular part, rectangular prism, and the volume of the triangular prism. So let's start that right now. Let's go ahead and first work on the rectangular prism, and I'll put that in red to match up with the shape. So we'll call this the rectangular prism. We know a rectangular prism is going to be first the area of the base, and then we're going to find the height, and then we're going to find the volume, which we know is the area of the base times the height. Let's take a look at our rectangular prism. Let's just assume that we're going to use the bottom of this rectangular prism as our base. Now I can shade the top as well. That works because that's the one I can see. And take a look at our dimensions. We've got 35 feet. Here's our length of our pool. We've got 20 feet as the width of our pool. So our base is going to be 35 times 20, which is equal to 700 feet squared. The only dimension left is the 3 feet, so that is going to end up being our height. So the height is 3 feet, and therefore we know that our volume of our rectangular prism is going to be 700 times 3, which is 2100 feet cubed. Let's put a box around that. There is our first volume that we're going to be looking at in a little bit. Okay, next we have to figure out the volume of the triangular shape, and we'll do that in our next video.